pretty excited today for several reasons, really. First reason is that I got the old Trail 70 running. You can see that behind me over there. That bike has been in my family for about 40 years, and last night, after replacing all the ignition, the coil, condenser, the points, everything, the carb, air filter, coil, ignition, cable, spark plug, battery, just about everything you can think of on this bike, and not being able to get it to run. Last night I found the connector for the points touching the case, so I peeled it away from that, which was grounding it out, and this thing fired up first kick and ran around like it was 1970 again. So definitely excited to have that back in the fleet and back running. I'm going to be highlighting that bike in a separate video series here, and hopefully if you have interest in that, it'll be a fun little thing for you to see on a vintage Honda that basically was the inspiration for the Monkey as well as the Z50s, and I do have one of those too, so I'll be highlighting each one of those bikes in a future video series. Another reason why I'm excited today is because I got a bunch of stuff in the mail, and a lot of it has these initials put on the tape here, MNNTHBX. If you don't know what that is, that stands for Man in the Box. Man in the Box is a really cool company that specializes in monkey and ground parts, and I became very favorable towards them. They've been a big help to some of the questions I've had and the things that I've been doing here. So I repay them back with lots of purchases. So having a monkey and having a grom, I basically buy everything from them or my local dealer if it's an OEM part or something that they don't have. Great guys over there. So go check out a cool company, Man in the Box, MNNTHBX. I have to look at the tape when I'm doing it because I don't want to mess it up. MNNTHBX.com. Great company, cool parts. What else do you need? They're really cool guys. So as a small business owner myself, it's something I try to strive for, is to do kind of business in the way they're doing it. So thanks guys, awesome stuff, appreciate the help. The other thing I'm excited about, and it all goes with the monkey bike, Man in the Box is putting on an event here in June 7th and 8th at the Barber Motorsports Park, and this is called the Barber Small Bore Event Festival, maybe, I think, I can't remember right now, but the premise of the event is to celebrate small bore motorcycles, whether it's a Honda, Kawasaki, I imagine, you know, anything that you have small bore. So the Barber Small Bore event probably focused on Hondas, but tons of other great bikes, I imagine. This will be my first visit. Formerly it was the Smoky Mountain Crawl. So the event got so large that they had to move it to a better venue. And with that, we're going to go to Alabama here in a couple weeks and check that out. I'm going to bring the monkey. I'm going to bring the Grom. There's an off-road race that's going to go on there, so I'm definitely going to be a part of that with the Grom. Doubt I'm going to put the monkey through that either. But a lot of these parts are in support of going to that event and making sure the bike's in top form for it. In the meantime, got some really cool stuff coming. Got a handlebar install. I got some Grom stuff that I've been pushing out. Got some Grom things that I'm going to be doing. Getting ready for the Creek Bottom Classic at the Barber Small Bore event. That's going to be a good time. I'm going to have footage from there. And the most exciting thing of all this up next for this monkey is going to be the Man in the Box intake system. I have that in the box right behind me. Hope to do that very soon. If not, might come out before this video. I'm not sure. However, this intake is going to be a major upgrade, and with that intake, I'm also going to add a Bazaz tuner and the AFM meter that self-tunes it. So got big huge things coming for this bike, and glad you're along with me on this journey. If you enjoy what I do, I love all the comments, so I know there's a lot of you out there that are enjoying this, but please subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel. The magic number is 1,000. I'm at 370, 371 or something at the time of this. So anything you can do to help me build this channel, I want to get to 1,000. Not worried about making money off of it all, but I want to make it a legit channel, and I'm glad for your support out there, and anything you can do to help me, very appreciative. So thanks again. We'll see you next time.